Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to expand this one in here. So in this situation, this one we have the power 2 plus number 2 multiplied by this one and this one plus this one with the power 2, this one with the power 2. For numerator, I just apply this formula in here. Now we need to simplify. This one we can write into s to the power of 2 over 8. This one we can write into s to the power of 1 over 8 plus 1 over 5. This one in here we can write into s to the power of 2 over 5. And this one we can write into s to the power of 2 over 10. Now this one divided by this one divided by this one, and this one divided by this one. So we can write into like this. This is negative, sorry. So after we write on this way, so we can simplify the power in here. And this one is about 1 over 10. This one is about 1 over 8. And this one we will have about 1 over 5. Next, we have the formula in here. The integration of s to the power of n ds. We have s to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1. And we put about c. So in this situation, we have the final answer. That should be about s to the power of 1 over 10 plus 1 over 1 over 10 plus 1. Similar for the second one. This one we have 11 over 10. This one we have 9 over 8. This one we have 6 over 5. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.